these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Y'all, it's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY. I hope you all are doing wonderful today. Today I wanted to show you all these 10 DIYs that I have previously made. I wanted to recap on them and show you all how I made these if you haven't seen them. So guys, we are going to get into this, making some lamps. We're going to make some stands. We're going to do our thing. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make this lamp. So I used some of these mirrored tiles from Nephew Glam Decor and some cardboard pieces, and I got some wooden pieces from Dollar Tree, and y'all, I put it all together and it looked amazing afterwards. I used some candle holders that I got from Hobby Lobby to use for the neck of the lamp, and it was beautiful crystal candle holders. And I used this lampshade that I got from Amazon, and it worked perfectly for the lamp. It made it so pretty to add the bling on there, and y'all, it worked out perfectly. Looks beautiful. So guys, let's get into the next DIY. So with this one, I just added some spray paint on there, pink and gray, and then I made a glitter mix using some glitter and some crushed diamonds to go on the toilet tops, like, you know, like a painting basically. So I wanted to do something really different, really creative, and this came to mind. So guys, that's what I did. So this was really easy, and the footage that I lost when I spray painted the epoxy over it, because that's what you need to, you know, seal everything in place. But guess what guys, I still have this toilet seat top in my bathroom to this day, and it still looks good. Nothing's messed up on it. It looks perfect. So guys, this really does work, and I get so many compliments on it. It is so gorgeous. Getting into our next DIY, we are making candle holders, and I'm using Dollar Tree gift boxes to complete this DIY. So we're using Nephew Glam Decor tile pieces. Once again, I love these, y'all. She makes, like, these are some really beautiful tiles, and I get so many compliments on them as well. So all I did was wrapped it around. This is an easy DIY. I used some crystal diamond wrap on there to give it a glam look. I added those lotus flowers to complete it, and boom, it looked good, y'all. I love this DIY. This is one of my favorites. It really does, it's really glam. It's really me. It's all me. Look at it. So beautiful. Okay, so guys, this was one of my best DIYs for me, in my opinion. I don't know what y'all think, but you know, it was for me. So I give this a 10 for me. I really did like these. So guys, we are going to go ahead and get into our next DIY, and I hope you all like this one as well. This is a little tray with some candle holders that I made. Very simple. I used these little round disco balls, but I took the disco stuff, whatever it was, off of there, the little mirrored tile. I took it off of there, and I glammed it up with some of the crystal diamond wrap, and then I just glued them all together to make a beautiful little candle holder, something very simple, like I said. And I adore these. They were so cute. And then I decided to make a tray to match, and I used these little pebbles from Dollar Tree and these little round balls, and I used 2 of those little round trays from Dollar Tree to complete the look. Look at my crown, y'all. Y'all know I'm a princess / goddess, but you know, it is what it is. So guys, we're moving into our next DIY, and this DIY is going to also be a tray, a 2-tier tray. Well, no guys, this is the 1-tier tray, sorry. And we are going to add some of our drawer pulls on the bottom. We are adding some crushed glass around the edges, and we are going to even add some lighting to it, y'all, to make it just look all glam and cute. So guys, I just added another mirror on top, and just to make it look, really, really cute or whatever. And it turned out perfectly. So all we did was put our little knickknacks or whatever on top of there to display, and boom, y'all, it looks great. And I got a lot of compliments on this. I ended up giving it to a friend. She wanted it, so I said, hey, it's time to get rid of it. So I gave it to her. Okay, so guys, we'll get into our next DIY. And this is the 2-tier tray. This was a simple DIY. It was so easy. We used the Lazy Susan. And we used 2 mirror pieces. And I got this little stand. It's a candle holder. And I got it from Burlington. It was the only one they had, so I thought it was so cute, so I got it because I was like, I can do something with this. And this is what I ended up doing, making this 2-tier tray. Y'all, it turned out beautifully, and I housed my little vitamins and stuff on there. So I'm extra, so I had to be glam with the vitamins and all that kind of stuff right there, guys. So I hope you like this DIY. I hope it inspired you. Let's move on to the next DIY. Okay, guys, so I wanted to make a stand. I went to a furniture store and I saw this stand. It was so cute. So I decided to kind of, duplicate it, but I wanted to use gold instead of silver. So that was different for me because y'all know I normally don't do gold, but I'm definitely liking it now. It took a while, but I do like it. So all I'm doing is using this box that I got from, I think it was from Amazon. It was something in there or whatever. So I just wanted to reuse it, and I thought it'd make a beautiful flower vase, a standing flower vase or floor vase light, and it did. And I also doubled this as a vase. No, a stand and a vase. I'm sorry. So I did both of them, and it turned out perfectly. It's beautiful, and I'm yet to show this room, but I will soon, y'all. So let's move into this next DIY. So I took the vinyl that I got from a local store, and I just wrapped a vase around there, like a cylinder vase. I just wrapped it around there, and I made a lamp. So guys, I just thought that this would be so simple and cute, and I definitely was wrong. I had to redo this because I couldn't I couldn't grasp, how I was going to do it. But anyway, it turned out wonderful. So I used these candle holders that I saw at Walmart, and they were like $1. So I had to get those, and I spray painted the top of this lampshade, and boom, there you go. It turned out perfectly. I really did like that, and I got so many compliments on it because it looks professionally done. I thought so. Anyway, so guys, I lost some of the footage to this particular DIY, but it's kind of self-explanatory. It's just a tray, and I liked it. I love the crystal candle holders that I use as the stand. It really worked perfectly, and as you can see, it housed my iPod and my earpod, and my phone. So that was perfect, y'all. Let's get into this next DIY. We are making a vase with these beautiful gold tiles that I got from dyeflower.com. This is like one of my favorites because it made me start liking gold, actually. So I used this Dollar Tree box, and it worked perfectly with the length and everything. I was shocked because normally it doesn't work, as far as how long it is, the measurement. So this is how it turned out, and I thought it was beautiful. So I gave it away, y'all, but I thought this was really, really pretty. It went well in somebody else's home. She really appreciated it. So guys, I hope you got inspiration from this particular DIY as well. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed all of the DIYs. I definitely enjoy making them for you, and I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. I am